After I learned this recipe, there are no more carrots in my fridge. Start by slicing large slices of 2 units of carrots. Then, transfer everything to a bowl, cover with plastic film, make some holes and microwave for 3 minutes. It's the fastest way to soften them. Meanwhile, cut a unit of onion into large slices. Look how easy and practical it is. After the 3 minutes, remove the plastic from the carrots. Now, put the onions in the glass bowl along with the carrots. The aroma is already amazing. Let's get spicy. Add chives to taste, 50 ml sunflower oil, salt to taste, oregano to taste, pepper to taste, paprika to taste, chimichurri and parsley. Mix well and feel the smell that is already too good. To give a special touch, add 100 ml of water and 100 ml of white vinegar. One more mix and you're ready for the next step. Heat a frying pan with sunflower oil and add 10 cloves of garlic. Let it fry until golden brown. The secret is to keep an eye out for burning, Use a sieve to separate the garlic from the oil. This oil will be aromatic and delicious. Now, add the fried garlic to the bowl mixture and stir again. And here it is. Our carrot salad with fried garlic is ready to be served. Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and comment to get more tips like this. Bon appetit and see you next time.